Hey everyone, today I am making bread rolls and bread pockets. For that I need to cook the filling. So let's start with the filling. I will be making vegetable filling. So let's start. We will take a pan and I will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Now I need the vegetables. I'll not use onions in this vegetable mixture. So let the oil be a little bit hot. Then we will start adding up the vegetables. So I have shredded these carrots. These are 2 carrots that I'm using. Then I will add this cabbage. All 3 types of capsicum, bell pepper, red, orange and green I'm using. Salt to taste. Ginger garlic powder I'm using. You can use fresh ginger garlic also. Approximately 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. In goes the cumin seed. Little bit of oregano. Little bit of chili flakes. So approximately half a teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And chicken cubes or stock powder or chicken flavor, whatever you have. Now we will not properly cook it like the vegetables. They should not be soft, because once when you will fry it after filling it, so they will be soft and tender. Little bit of water just to dilute these cubes. Make sure that they are properly diluted and mixed in the vegetables, and the vegetable has the flavor of this. We will just wait for the water that we have added to dry up, because we don't want this filling to be watery. So just make sure that everything is mixed and the water is dry. See, it's ready now. So our filling is ready and it has cooled down. So now we will start the preparation for the bread. I have taken this normal type of bread and the edges I have already cut. So now I will show you how to fill this with this filling. Okay, so I'll take 1 slice, and this rolling pin I will be using, and I will roll on this slice just to make it a little bit flat like this, if you can see. So from the edges also I will roll it. So this way I will roll all the bread pieces, the slices, and then we will add the filling to it. Okay, so these slices, they are rolled now. Okay, so after rolling these slices, what you will do, that you will soak these slices little bit in water, and then you will press it so any extra water should come out. And now you can see that the slice, it has become very soft. So now I will add the filling. So 1 spoon is, I think, enough. We'll take this filling, keep it in the center. Now this is additional. If you want your kids to be happy, you can add mozzarella, and also you can use any type of filling, like chicken filling also you can use. I have already told you how to make chicken filling in one of my videos for the patties. You can use that filling also. Potato filling also you can use. So now this way we will join the ends, and then we will give it a shape of a roll. Because this bread is now soaked in water, it's very soft. Now you see it has formed its shape. Be careful, there should not be any openings. Why we remove the edges? Because the edges makes it hard to join, because the edges are a little bit hard. So now I have 1 beaten egg over here. I will dip it into egg, and then I will dip it, coat it with breadcrumbs. This way I will make all the these bread pieces. So my rolls are ready. Now I will fry it. I will tell you another technique. It will be like parcels. So for that, what we will do, that we will cut the bread into half. This is a bit easier, because for the rolls it's hard to make the shape and make it join. So in this technique it will be a little bit easier. Now after, I will not soak this one because we don't have to form it into any shape. Just add the filling. Then I'll add this mozzarella cheese. And on the edges only I will apply water. Only on the edges. Generous amount of water, because we have not soaked it. Same I will do with this other piece. On the edges I will apply water so it can be sticked, and then I will join it from the edges like this. You can make with the whole piece also, and you can cut the piece into half and make it like this also. A little bit of water we need here to join these edges. And we will press to make sure that this whole piece is joined together and there are no any pockets, openings. Then we will dip it into this beaten egg, and then I will coat it with this breadcrumbs, and we will fry it. Okay, now I am frying these rolls. We will shallow fry it.
How long do you have to fry them for?
When they will be golden brown, then we will take them out. Okay, so these are the bread pockets. They are ready. I have fried them. These are the rolls that we made. So I'll open one for you. Can you see the cheese?
That looks good.
Enjoy and comment in the comment section. Let me know how did it go. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.